Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here to bring you a super budget-friendly synthetic wig review. This is Navy by Nell's Wigs. You can see the color. This style only comes in one color. I've reviewed wigs from Nell's Wigs before. I love showing her wigs. I think they're great budget-friendly options. If you want to know more about Navy, stick around. I would like to thank Nell's Wigs for sending me Navy so that I could show all of you the style and talk about Nell's Wigs and bring you a great budget-friendly resource. Now, I have, I think, 3 reviews now of wigs from Nell's Wigs. So if you do a search on YouTube, Denise Sheets Nell's Wigs, you should be able to find all my reviews. If you just search Nell's Wigs, you might be able to find other reviews as well. I know how important reviews are. Let's take a look at this one from all sides. This is a lob with bangs, essentially. It's a long bob, all one length. You can see how it sort of curves under at the ends, like this. And it has a full bang. Now, these bangs are very long. You can see they are not working for me at the length that they came, which is why you see me pushing them like this. I have multiple videos on YouTube showing you how to trim bangs that are too long for you. I will make sure to link at least one of those videos in the description. If you are a bang wearer or you want to try a wig with bangs, you might find that the bangs come too long. The reason for that is because we all have different measurements and we all have a different space between our hairline and where we want bangs to fall. It's much better if a retailer errs on the side of too long because you can always trim them rather than too short. So it is what it is. Some of us are going to have to deal with that, but it's doable and I teach you how. When I say super budget friendly, this synthetic wig is on her website right now for $39.99. I rarely talk about price because these videos live forever. You might look in 6 months and this price will be different because her costs are different. Who knows? But I want you to know this is definitely a budget friendly piece. Now with budget friendly, super budget friendly, there come some challenges. I would say the challenge with this piece is probably the parting space for some people, not for everybody. So here is what the part looks like. This is not terrible at all. But this doesn't have any cap features. It doesn't have any monofilament. It doesn't have a lace front. It doesn't have any permatease. So on these type of budget-friendly wigs, they often put this like plastic fake part on the wig so that it looks like part from afar. Unless you're standing with somebody looking straight down at your head for a long period of time, I really don't think that it's going to be a problem. Set your expectations, and if you ever want to try a budget-friendly piece, I really think there are a lot of things you can do with that. You can put some makeup on it if it's too light. You can style it and wear it with headbands. You can wear it with a hat. So I definitely think budget-friendly pieces have definite value and their benefit, but there are sometimes some trade-offs. The fibers on this feel really great. They're what she has labeled silk and yaki blend. It's very soft. It's actually very smooth feeling, but it feels a little thick. It feels a little like a thick denier, a little bit of a heavy hair follicle. So what the benefit of that is it lays super straight, super sleek, and just looks beautiful. But it's a little thicker and a little heavier than more of a lightweight, wispy density of hair that you might find on brands like Ellen Villa, sometimes Gabor, that kind of thing. And once again, you'll be trimming these bangs for the most part if you want to wear it with a full bang. Now the cap does run big. I would say that this is big head friendly. It has some stretch. It definitely fits me big. I had to cinch this in. The ear tabs come way down on me. Perfect coverage, but any larger and they would be on top of my ears. So look in the description for my measurements so that you can compare them to yours to see how this one will fit you. Let's take a look at this cap. So you can see what I mean. No frills at all. It's a really basic cap. So all of this is just basic. The wefts are quite far apart. You do find that on these more budget-friendly pieces. The caps feel super lightweight. They're generally run big. This one definitely does. We've got an extended nape. We've got hook adjusters. I have the hook adjusters adjusted nearly all the way in. And then we've got, actually, these are very soft ear tabs with a bendable stay. So I would say that these just feel a little more cheaply made than the higher end synthetics, which is obviously to be expected. I think with a little TLC, with a little bang trimming, you know, working with it, wearing it, I really think, where's my brush? It's over here. Hang on, I'm just gonna step out of the frame for a moment. I really think this could look super cute, super natural, and actually does look pretty realistic. You can definitely put this back in a ponytail. So if you wanted to style this, I mean, you certainly could work with it. You could put it in a ponytail, you could put it in an updo, you can wear it with a headband. I think there's just so many things you could do with this one. The only kind of negative is that it only comes in this color. So this is like a blonde, a dark blonde, light brown, and it has a very natural root. Sort of a medium brown. It's a soft root. It's kind of an ashy root. It's not a warm root. So this is a beautiful light brown, dark blonde. It has a little bit of highlighting. Really beautiful color and no shine. I am not seeing any shine with this one. Now this is heat friendly. I don't think it feels like a heat friendly wig. I think it feels like human hair. I really do. It's not dry. It's not rough feeling. It just feels amazing. And really the tangles are incredibly minimal with this one. I've been playing with it. I went outside and did my outside look and it's a little windy. I just have not had any issues with tangling. So overall, for $40, I think this is an amazing, amazing wig. And if you are willing to work with your pieces to make them your own, and you're looking to add to your wig collection, or maybe you're looking to purchase your first wig, this one could be a great one if this is the type of style you like to wear. All right, let's get outside so you can see this color outside. And thank you once again to Nell's Wigs for sending me this piece. I love showing all different types and I love showing budget friendly, and you're budget friendly. So far, all the ones I've experienced are amazing. So I appreciate you. All right, guys, I'll talk to you in my next video.
Hi, friends, here we are with this color outside. The sun is behind clouds, but let me see. You can see there's just no synthetic shine on this. There's that root. Make sure you get a good close-up of it. Let the wind blow it just a little bit. These bangs were the right length for me. That would make it a lot easier. Thanks for watching.